units. We have shots fired in the vehicle in question from Cambridge. Last year near Dexter Ave. A units to assist in Watertown. That's one army at Dexter Ave with reported shots fired at officers trying to stop the vehicle.
K-22. Keepers in Dexter. They have explosives, some type of grenades. They're in between the houses down here. Shots fired. Shots fired. Loud explosions. Loud explosions. Loud explosions. Shots fired. What? Loud shots fired. Shots fired. You have a grenade going off.
And both armed with firearms. You said that they paid cash at the Shell gas station, then fled towards Harvard Square.
Yeah, but only one firearm was displayed it was the driver that displayed the firearm.
Okay, driver displayed the firearm. Was he the lighter skinned, the darker skinned rather, or the one that's 5'7"?
Slight facial hair.
Okay. The second should be armed with a firearm now. Darker skinned male, Middle Eastern.